How are you? Today, Vivian
Hi.
and Hazel are going to help us make a snowstorm in a jar. So first step, we're going to color our snow. So we have some water in a measuring cup. We're going to add some paint. Hazel's going to make white snow and Vivian
Gonna make light purple snow.
light purple snow.
And then I'm gonna mix these. This looks weird, guys. It's actually literally just staying in one piece. Vivian. Look at mine. What? How? Mine's starting to fog up, which is a plus. Mine's already done.
Right, next, we're going to add a couple sprinkles of glitter to make our snowstorm extra beautiful. And then, we're going to pour baby oil on top to fill the cup most of the way up. Hazel has a really big cup, so we're not going to fill it all the way up, but we're going to fill it the rest of the way up with baby oil.
Is that good? Now I'm gonna mix. Whoa! It's just staying up. No, it's just disappearing. Now we're gonna do why does baby oil have such a small bowl? Ew! Hazel, was that you?
I'm ready for a snowstorm, are you?
Yay!
No, Hazel's not, Vivian is. We're gonna turn this jar of paint, water, and glitter into a snowstorm. And Hazel's paint, water, and glitter into a snowstorm with an Alka-Seltzer tablet. You guys ready?
Yeah. So, 3, 2, 1. I can't see anything in there. I see on the top only. You can barely see anything. So let's add more Alka-Seltzer. More. Yeah, mine too. Me too. I'm gonna add 1 whole one and 3. Ooh. Will that be a lot? Are you ready, everyone? Oh my gosh, look at it. Guys, this is amazing. It's so fizzy. Oh, look at mine. I need another one. If you put your finger in it, it feels like an explosion. How's it feel? And guys, if it's done bubbling and just acting cool, you can add more Alka-Seltzer and do it again. Mine looks like a snow lantern.
I hope you all had fun making snowstorm in a jar. See you next time. Bye.